Hey everyone, this is your smart teacher. Today I'll teach you how to solve a regression line. Here's a question. Determine the regression line and estimate the weight of a student whose height is 68 inches. Here, height is x inches and weight is y pounds. Before we start our solution, we have to make this table. Table is must. To achieve this question, you must solve this table. Here, what I have done over here is that I have written all the observation of x and y. Now you will ask where these values x and y comes from. I have just simply multiply x observation with y. 12816. By multiplying x observation with y, you can get xy. Similarly, by taking square of x, you can find x square values. Then you sum up all the observation of x, y, xy and x square. Now first you have to know what is the formula of regression line. Regression line. Here is the formula. Y is equal a plus bx. Here y is the dependent variable. Here is y intercept. B is the independent variable, and x is the slope of the line. I'll tell you a little bit about this formula. By using this equation, we can take a given value of x and compute the value of y. The A is called the y-intercept because its value is the point at which the regression line crosses. The y-axis, that is the vertical axis. The b in equation is the slope of the line. It represents how much each unit change of the independent variable x changes. Variable y. Both a and b are numerically constant for any given straight line. Their values do not change. Now, by writing formula of b, n sum of xy minus x sum of x multiplied by sum of y divided by n sum of x square minus sum of x whole square. Here n is the total number of observation and x you can call this sigma. Sigma is the sum of xy, sum of x, sum of y. Now by putting values, what we get over here is the n is the number of observation 10, and sum of xy is 104468 minus sum of x. Sum of x is 670 multiplied by 1550 divided by sum of total number of observation bracket sum of x square. Sum of x square is 45056 minus, it is not x square, it is sum of x whole square. So sum of x over here is 670 whole square is equal, by multiplying 10 with this value we get 104468 minus, by multiplying 670 with 1550 we get 1038500 divided by multiplying 10 with this value we get 450,560 minus, by taking 670 square we get 448900 is equal 6180 divided by 1660. The answer of B is round about 3.722. Now give this B answer equation 1. Equation 1. Now what we have found over here is the value of A also. We have found the value of B. Now we have to find the value of A. So what we have to do over here is, by writing formula of regression line, that is y is equal a plus bx, just take this value bx to the left side. The formula will be like this: a is equal y minus bx. Now here what we have to do is that by writing sigma with both of the sides, and taking and divide by number of observation, we will get sigma x bar minus b sigma x. So what we have to do over here is also divide by total number of observation. Now now put the values in above formula. What we get over here, sigma y, sum of y. Sum of y, we have 50 divided by 10 minus b bracket sum of x. Sum of x is 670 divided by total number of observation. By dividing, I can show you on my calculator. by dividing 1550 divided by 10, we'll get 155 minus b. 670 divided by 10, 67. Now write the value of b over here, which already we have calculated the equation 1. Just put the values in this equation, that is 3.722 multiplied by 67, 155 minus I'll solve you on my calculator, that is 3.722 multiplied by 67, we have 249.37 minus this answer 155 minus 249.37, we get minus 94.37. Here we get value of E. We can put equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now put all the values in our regression line formula. Here y is equal, what is value of E? Value of E is 94.37 plus value of B, the value of B, that is 3.722. Now what's the value of X? X is supposed to be the height of the student, that is 68 inches, is equal minus 94.37 plus 3.722 multiplied by 68, that is 253.096, is equal minus 94.37 plus 253.096. We get 158.726. This is the regression line. This is the height of that student this is the weight of that student whose height is 68 inches. So I hope by doing this question it will help you more in your exams. Next time I'll teach you how to solve standard deviation or variation, and also coefficient of correlation. I hope you do like my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.